This guided healing meditation helps you to receive healing through accessing your wisdom. Before I begin a meditation or a healing session, I always make some very general requests to your higher self, body, deva, and team to make sure that I don't do too little and also not too much. So I invite your higher self, your body, deva, and your team to make sure that the effect of this meditation is in alignment with your current healing process and with your evolutionary path, and that it is soft and gentle for your nervous system and for your heart. Please make yourself really comfortable. You might prefer to sit in easy pose with your spine straight, your shoulders dropped. Allow the muscles around your eyes to relax and around your jaw. Take some nice deep breaths into your belly. And with each breath, letting go of your mind. Allowing your mind to be really at peace with yourself. Keep breathing deeply, and with each breath, you move into this deeper part of yourself, this part of you that has access to your wisdom. And this wisdom is really wise beyond your years. And it's urging you to stretch towards fulfillment. You want to stretch towards what you sense for yourself, what you sense is possible for yourself and for your world. And keep breathing deeply, and with each breath, sensing into how unlimited you are. It's up to you to decide who you are and how that translates into action. Words, thoughts, beliefs. And you're not alone. You're not alone. There's a very dynamic, co-creative process of life surrounding you, helping you, loving you, supporting you. And with each breath, you become more present to who you really are, to that wisdom beyond your years that you hold within yourself. To the presence of your higher self, your body deva, your team of guides, of angels, of healing beings. And just keep breathing deeply. And with each breath, allowing the earth to ground you. To ground who you really are. To ground what you want to bring into this world. And how you want to bring that into this world. And keep breathing deeply, and with each breath, allow the images to show up that represent guidance, or allow words to come up for you, or feelings. Completely letting go of your mind. I will now end this meditation. Please stay as long as you desire with this access to your wisdom. Maybe you need to write down some notes. Let's say thank you to your higher self, your body, Deva, and your team. Please know that you are always loved and supported.